have a hurricane coming, so we'll see what happens. See how much work I got to reschedule. Not looking forward to that. Well, looks like I'll have to work on Sunday to make up for a couple of these jobs. Anyway, you got to do what you got to do, right? All right, this morning we're on our way to Tampa to do a pretty nice size pool cage. I was able to look at it online this morning. Nice place. So it'll be a nice job. And then I got a mobile home to do after that. And that'll wrap it up for today. And I'm going to stop by Ameritech, see what's happening there. See if we can't get some kind of mechanism made for these long 16-foot wands that I've been using on these commercial jobs to knock down bees' nests. It'd be really nice if I can get that thing a little stiffened up a little bit. I know, that's what she said, right? I walked right into that one. Anyway, it's going to be a good day. And then tomorrow I got a 2-story home and then another single-story home, and they're side by side, so that always makes for a nice job. And it's a nice ticket as well. All right? Well, we'll see you when we get to Tampa. I'm Don from Super Blast. Get after it. Hey, hey, hey. All right, we're arriving. This is a very high-end place. Hunter's Green, baby. All right, let's get after it. Okay, here we are. Job number 1. Pool cage. Some really nasty mold right along the top. It's just got green mold everywhere. This will clean up fairly easy. See it along the top. All along there. All along the back here. You can see it all along the top in there. Pretty moldy. Nice looking cage. Cool looking pool. All right. It's going to be a good job. And dirty moldy stuff up there. Let's see what happens after this job. Maybe they'll hire me back to clean their house and the driveway. Let's get after it. Okay, naturally we're going to go ahead and start with the outside of the cage first. Get all that done. If I hit the top of this wall here while we're going down the line there, might as well, right? Anyway, trying to upsell this house here. Leaving some green mold up on that chimney up there. I can reach that. I can get it. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. See how it's got a little bit of still that faint orange on there? Just in a couple spots, like right here. The rest of it looks pretty new. There's some orange there. Anyway, this has been on here a long time, okay? This is why it's that. Look at that wall. All I did was get a little juice on it. See this stuff here? Okay. Now, for you guys that are going to switch to downstreaming because it makes more sense, see how you got some orange? Okay. Here's where that pump up sprayer comes in handy. And this is only take a couple minutes to do this. You don't have to stand there and soak it or do anything else. Just go by and give it a little, and that stuff's gonna come right off. All right, let's go out and get the bug sprayer or pump up sprayer, and then we'll go ahead and treat that stuff. All right, let's get after it. Okay, I just went down it. It took about 2 minutes, 3 minutes tops. Look at that. Beautiful. All the orange is gone. Looks like a brand new cage. Just a couple little things to help you guys out. Look at that. All that stuff that was up there, gone. Gone. All right, now we're going to make our way into the inside. Go ahead and put some SH, sticky Yankee, all over everything. And then we'll get this puppy cleaned up. Now I can see it's an old cage. It's been damaged. You can see it needs to get painted. See it? You can see where somebody was pressure washing it before. You can see all this fading. Okay. Same with over here. See that? You see this right here? That's just the paint coming off this thing. So we're going to be really gentle with it. It's just going to basically clean all this mold off of here. They can either get it painted down the road, or they can just get a new cage, and that's expensive, so you don't want to do that. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. Let's have a look. Look at all the molds, all gone. It's beautiful. We just have some of this tough stuff here like this, but that'll come off. We'll let it sit for a little while, and even that orange stuff up there is starting to go away, so that's good. All the rest of it's going. Of course, we'll get the wash jet tip out for that over there. Everything is coming good. I'm going to bring the homeowner's attention to this faded paint on here before I start blasting anything, just to cover my butt. And what happened last week, right? All right, let's get after it. All right, well, that's a good practice from now on. The lady with the drywall got me the other day, but I'll be darned if anybody else is going to get me. No more shenanigans by customers, okay? I'm too honest of a guy, number one. Number two, I do too good of a damn job for that kind of stuff to be happening, especially when you know your drywall's screwed up. I'm still a little irritated, can you tell? Anyway, this job is coming out splendid. Now we're gonna do the satisfying rinse. Woohoo! Let's have a look at the end result. Is always nice. It's always nice and clean, right? Beautiful pool. Deck's nice and squeaky. Everybody's happy, right? I know I am. But the pool sweep is going to eat my stuff. It's trying to do its job, but it's tangled around my hose, so we need to tend with that, and then we're out of here. All right, now we're off to Ameritech. All right, let's have a close-up. Okay, we got a reclaimed water system back here. This is the Zeta 40P chem spray, all electric reels. These are 10-gallon a minute machines. 31-inch mini Mondu in its carrier. Chem tank, 49-inch Mondu. 2 more chem tanks in the back. This thing is ready to rock. Your go-to place, Ameritech. Right, down here from Super Blast, I'm standing here with Gary. Gary, show us some features about the rig we got here for Wesley Ford out in California today.
Got a lot going on here. We got on the front, we have a 5,000 watt inverter that's housed inside this closure. Keeps it nice and dry. They can be opened up and ran when you're running the 110 volts for the pump out and the reclaim. We have our selector here for our downstreamers that go from water to SH to be able to clean it out on the fly.
Nice.
It's all plumbed into the tank. Our remote start for both machines on one side, so we're working from the passenger side out, not that it'll reach over, crank them up.
Nice feature.
Our machines are also the capability to run through flow sensitive motors, or then turn the valves and switch it to pressure sensitive, so we can tie them together and run at 21 gallons a minute and run the big cleaner. We also have this hidden wash down station here, so when the customer wants to plug in and have it for washing down gear, boots, all buckets for sealer, that kind of stuff, he's got water poured there.
Awesome.
Filters, lines all run through the deck, but both filters are here close together, so it's easy to clean and maintain.
Easy access, makes it easy.
We have lights. We have our passenger and driver side floodlights up top.
Nice.
As well as center lights that glow the whole center of the trailer. For at nighttime work, you all see the inside. We have a proportioning system here, along with a secondary neutralizing closed loop system, so we can run neutralizer straight through. Along with our surfactant, SH, everything there. That's all through the Zeta. We also have our drain off for bucket fill, any kind of pump spares, that kind of stuff. And then lastly, we got a nice wand holder that's kind of hidden and integrated in the pole here, tucked away, kind of like your quiver for all your arrows type deal.
Very nice. And there you have it, folks. If you want a custom rig made for you and your crew, Ameritech Pressure Washing in Tampa, Florida is your go-to place. Get after it. Well, guys, thank you for everything. And what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
This is Mr. American.
Get after it! All right, well, here I am getting ready to vacate Ameritech. And what do we do here at Ameritech?
Get after it!
Get after it!